what's up? This is Jeff. I'm out here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and there's a lot of talk about this Mexican grill restaurant. So let's go inside and check it out.
Hey, my name's Horatio Sanchez. We're here at Anita's Mexican Grill, 2904 York Road. And we kind of are known for like street style tacos, which today that's what we got. And we have three. We have fish, grilled chicken, and steak, street style cilantro onion. We've got the lettuce, cheese, tomato in there, pico, salsa verde, all the good stuff.
Okay, so here we go. I just received my tacos. I normally would sit down and try this out, but being that I'm on the road right now, located here in Charlotte, North Carolina, I figured I grab this most talked about tacos. So again, we are here at this most talked about place called Anita's Mexican Grill. I'll let you guys know what it's like. Take care. The taste of this taco is so amazing. Guys, you really gotta come down and check this out. Anita's Mexican Grill is so amazing. Google it. It's in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is Jeff the Fake Chef coming at you. Have a great day.